Okay, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So kindly share your screen, then show me your problem. Yeah, please. Share your screen and then show me your problem.
Sir, here it's not showing layers.
Okay, so you want to so you make the mistake in here. You can see here multiply 0.001. Okay, so you did the mistake in here. So this mistake
Okay.
is that basically we can just multiply only for the image. Okay, so in this time you put the filter bounds,
Okay,
filter
sir.
metadata, filter date. So it's one kind of collection. After when you put the median, then all of collection create the median composite or single image. So after that you have to put the multiply function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just try to just after the median, just put the multiply function, then try. I hope it will work. Yeah. Yeah, just copy and then paste. Yeah, below the median function. Yeah. So now try again. Run the code. So I hope it will be loaded your image and you can easily get it. So basically, this concept is that when you want to multiply anything or any, you just need the image. Okay, you cannot put the
Yeah.
image collection. Okay, so now run the code again.
Not running, sir. From evening, from afternoon, same problem, sir.
Okay, why is there any networking issue or what happened? Okay, so in this time, you try to
Okay.
just print image, just do it. Okay, is it work or not?
That is also not working.
Okay, so try to increasing the cloud pixel level. That was 5% and then try again. Okay, just run. Oh my god, what's happening?
Here,
It show nothing. It
layers
show
that.
nothing.
Sir.
Okay, so you can simply click on the get link button, get link,
Okay, sir.
and open copy the link and then also open the new tab. Okay, copy the link and open a new tab and then try to check what happened. Just open a new tab in your browser and then not just simply you can browse this link. Okay, browse this link, browse. So simply click on the plus sign. Mainly you can take the new tab, click on the plus sign. Yeah,
Okay.
and then paste this link. Paste, just paste.
Okay.
Yeah, now go. Yeah. So now I directly go to your code editor and also open this. Yeah. Okay. It show about that.
It's not running, sir. Code.
Okay, map.add layer showing or not? Map.add layer.
This
Your
one also not
boundary is also
working.
not showing. Oh, I think some
No, sir.
problem. Yeah. Oh, so you can send me the code link. I will try from my side. Okay. Just send me this link.
Okay, sir. I will send that link, sir.
Yeah, in the WhatsApp or yeah, send me that. I will try to open
Okay.
and try to check it. What's happened? Why it not running? Is it any issue in the code editor or let me open? And also you simply go to the asset tab and then click on your shapefile boundary file, and then share anyone can read. Then I can also access your boundary.
Set, sir.
Here, yeah. Then simply click on here. Yeah, click on your shapefile, and then click on the share button. You can see the share. Yeah, it loaded. Yeah, so now anyone can read. Anyone can read. So simply paste in here. Check mark. You can see that anyone can read in the square box. Just click on here. Yeah. Tick mark.
Okay.
Yeah. So now done. Click for the done. Click to the done. It will be okay. Click to the done. Yeah.
Okay.
So now you can stop the sharing. I will try to open the code and show you.
Okay, sir.
Can you see my screen now? Yeah. Is it
Yes,
visible?
sir.
Okay, but from my side, everything is okay. There is no problem. It show about your study area.
Sir, earlier also same I got, but from afternoon it's not getting, sir.
Okay, but it will show about that. But why it not show in your side? Okay. Suppose I put at the less than 1%. Is it okay or not? I check it.
If I give one also it will show, sir.
Okay, got it. Okay, so it show the better result. There is no problem. But from your side, we face the problem. Okay, so your did you registration with your this? It show about the name in here. Suppose here you can see about that your project name or project info. So code is okay. There is no problem, but I think some problem in your cloud project, your project info. So that's why it not loaded. Okay, so you can simply I stop the sharing and then I try to focus on your cloud project. Okay, simply the share the screen. I will, if you want, you can also create the new project and then try to run the code. I hope it will work. Okay, so project info, it also show about that. Click to the done. But it not show about the anything about your.
Sir. Here it is like this.
Okay. Just open the new code editor. In the okay. Only code editor, new code editor. It also yeah. So it loaded. Yeah. From here, yeah. Okay. So now it show about the code editor. You just click on the asset tab and import your boundary shape file. And now further you just try to add it. So map.add layer function use and then try to add the layer. Is it okay or not? You check. Suppose map.add layer. And put this variable name table. Put the parenthesis and put the table. Lowercase. So now run the code. Is it added the layer or not? Yeah. So now it also okay. And also focus the center of this boundary shape file. So map.center object. Center object. TER. And TER. Then O is uppercase. Object O is uppercase. Yeah. So now put the table. Zoom level suppose 10. comma 10. After table, comma 10. Comma 10. Yeah. So now, yeah, remove that and run. So, okay. So it also work. You can see it show that. Okay. So now further go to your previous code and copy the full code and try running here. Suppose you go to your previous code, which you write the code for. Yeah. So just simply copy the image. You can see the image, var image. Just start copy from here, or you can copy from the full code. You can just simply copy from line 1 to just copy all of things. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Then paste here. Just paste, and now you can just click with your filter bound, change it. Filter bounds, put the table, because in this time we put the shapefile variable name is the table. So just put here the table, and also click with your table. Click with table. Yeah. Click with table. Dot clip, then put the table instead of the RY.
Okay.
In here. Yeah. So then it will be click with your boundary shapefile also. So run the code. Now I hope it will work. Yeah. So now load the image. So just you take the new layer, map.add layer, write the code map.add layer. Copy from here. Yeah. Copy and then change the your object. Object will be image. Look at the image. Then now click to run. So now I think second layer is also added. Yeah. So now further you can simply click on the layers and set your visualization parameter. Yes, you click on the layers. Yeah, setting button, and then put at the suppose B4, red, then green, B3, and blue, B2, and it's stressing 98%. After that, apply and also import. And then copy the image this param and paste after the object name. Now this color will be set with your code. Yeah. So now it will be loaded. And further, if you want, you can just simply copy the training sample, because you already take the training sample previous code. In this time, you just use the same training sample. So for that, you just simply go to this code editor again. Yeah. Just click on the code editor. Go to this code editor, and then you can see the 7 in trees. Just you can see the some line. Yeah. So just click on here. Just you can see this sample. Yeah. This sample you can simply click. Yeah. So now you're just copy from. Okay, you can. Okay, so it's the water ROI. It show all at the same time. It show about all of those things. So for doing these things, you just try to copy. Suppose you just simply copy the all of things. Just simply copy. Okay, sir. Copy and then go to your new code editor. And you write the code for this time. Yeah. And map.add layer. Map.add layer. Basically, first you can paste the code in the first option. Basically, first line. Yeah. After make a space, just put the make a new line. Yeah. Then put the press the enter. Yeah. Also okay. Yeah. Done. So now further go to the app. Go to the app. Yeah. You can see all of those things we imported. So now run the code. Run the code. Check it will be added or not. You check it. Yes. It will be loaded. Okay, I think it also okay for that. You can see it in this time. It also run also in here. Yeah. And now you can see the geometry import. Click on here. Then we can get all of this training sample. Okay, so basically sometime when you face the networking issue or some networking, then it will be not loaded, but run after again by again, then I hope it will be work. And first problem is that you face the problem for that you multiply with your image collection. Okay, so multiply only
Oh,
capable for that
okay,
after
sir.
creating the median composite, then we have put the multiply function. Okay, so then okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I hope you can work
Thank you.
with that and you can easily get it. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay, bye. Okay, good night.
Bye. Good night.